equals, what was it? Alright, this will be the default. And we have to set it, definitely. Could make float the default too, but obviously when the wave track creates the thing, so sequence creates it, right? What I mean is go to sequence.cpp, there's append coded, and that creates the block file. I believe we have a format at this point. No? I would have thought we had a format at this point. I'm really surprised there's no format. Look, there's msample format right there. I think that this stuff is already set by sequence. And sequence just grabs from the track, obviously. Alright, let's just look for use of format. I don't know why the other blocks don't use that to create. I wonder if there must be a reason. Before I just use that, I'm going to check. Read data. Yeah, it's because the read is supposed to be separated from the underlying type. Alright, so the thing that might be best is to find out what calls decode. The thing is, I think the block file calls decode. Let me check. Yeah, in do write block file, right. Alright, one more thing I'm going to look at. Go to the very top here. You see this FFmpeg decoder. Alright, this is the guy that needs the format. And the other thing is, if you look at where are these wave tracks created? Pretty much. Right, so we probably have a decoder here. Yep, we have a decoder here, and we are setting the types. Alright, we want to take the O format at this point. Yeah. So let's see. That happens after, right? Yeah, that happens here. So at this point we have the O formats. Let me just double check. Make sure that there's nothing like... Yeah, so this gets applied to everything. We have the O format. We have the O format for the stream. And does the decoder have that info? What does the decoder do? It's possible it doesn't do anything, and that's the problem. And I think that's true. Yeah. We're appending this coded block. I think we just want to append with the format of the track. Yeah? Let's see. I can't think of a reason not to. Shoot. The other thing we could do is stick the format inside of the decoder. But, alright, so if we go to decode. So interestingly enough, this format's completely invalid because of the way we're doing things. Do some internal. Does the task do anything? Not really. Ah, look at this. So you have the stream index. Okay, I just remembered something kind of important. Before we were always using floats. Yeah, check this out. Alright. Before, I think it said format equals float. Let me just do a quick diff. What was it? This is fill. Maybe not. Or I already committed that in a previous one. You see that right there? See this? We're automatically converting to int 16s before. So what we need to do there is not that, but something that switches Alright. So we just do format equals MSC How do you know which index? I think it's channel, right? No, it's a stream index. At this point, the O format's already set. Yeah, right. Format equals. So we just say O format. Try that. I think that will do it. This is starting to get really confusing. Alright, let's see what we get. Okay, I've got the one internal GDB. Yeah, we can run it from there. How does it stop? Term. How do you kill? Yeah, run. Do not cover. Open. Is that breakpoint still there? Yeah. B1. Huh? Forget how you remove breakpoints. Delete B1. Help breakpoints. Delete breakpoints. Delete breakpoints. Yes. Comment. Alright. Oh, it's working. It's working again. So you see that? You hear that? That was the problem. I wonder if these are glitches or that's the way the file is supposed to look. Well, the program probably just crashed.